What would you do if the kettle boiled over? What would you do? Only fill it again. And what would you do if the carrot, the clover? What would you do? Only set it again. The bodies are boiled and the herring is roasting. Kitty lie over close to the wall. You to be drunk and me to be sober. Kitty lie over close to the wall.